Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently doing a short series of Christmas nail designs. This is video number 6 out of 12. So make sure to turn on notifications and hit subscribe so you'll be reminded about the upcoming videos. If you try out one of these designs, make sure to tag me in your post. If you missed out on the previous videos, make sure to click this link right here and it'll take you to my 12 days of Christmas nail art playlist. Enjoy the video! I'm going to start by painting the nail white with some gel polish. I'm going to be applying 2 layers to get the color that I like. After the gel polish is fully cured, then I'm going to go in with some black gel polish and my fine nail art brush. I'm going to start by doing the antlers. These were pretty easy to do. You just create small points coming off of the antler. Once I do the antlers, then I'm going to go in with some red nail polish and do a bow. The bow is very easy. Apply a dot in the center and then little triangles coming from the center. Once I finish the bow, then I'm going to go in with some brown acrylic paint and I'm going to be painting the ears. The ears were very easy, just do a triangle shape right underneath the antlers. Once I have all of this done, I'm going to take some black gel polish again and I'm going to be doing the eyes. I wanted to do a very girly reindeer, so I'm going to be adding eyelashes. After I finish the eyes, then I'm going to go in and add the red nose. After everything is dry and cured, then I'm going to go in with a gel top coat. Here's the finished nail. I hope you guys like this one. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below of what you think of this design, and don't forget to hit subscribe to see more nail art tutorials. See you guys in the next video. Bye!